To change volume level of your media by using Redmi Buds 6 Active, first of all, you will have to open Xiaomi earbuds application, go to the gestures, and now you will have to select to volume up and volume down for one of the gestures. As you can see, I'm setting this up for double tap left and the right earbud. So now let's see if it actually works. Okay, looks like it's not working, but I will try to play music. Okay, right now it works. So it only works when something is playing in the background. Okay, so as you can see, that's how it works. It's not working always, but we can actually change the volume level by using this gesture. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.